Today we'll be showing you how to use a Peerless folding handle binder. It is very similar to a ratchet binder, except for one thing. The handle on this binder folds down so it's out of the way. Here's how to use it. Untwist the chain barrels about 15 times to open the ratchet barrel up. Place the top ratchet hook on the chain and pull down tight on the chain and place the other hook. Start ratcheting down the binder to tighten the chains together. When finished, lower the handle to lock the binder into place.